guys, so I'm just coming through the really quick update for this hair. This hair is by LuvLuxe hair, and I'll have the initial review and all the reviews that I did in the description bar below. But I just want to say that I have fallen in love with this wig all over again. This hair is, I'll just say Cambodian African Kinky, but I could be wrong. You know I'm always messing up names of her. So I'm going to leave what the name is in the title down there. And yeah, so just a little heads up, this is a wig. I have it on a unit. My natural hair is out front right here. I hope that's okay because I think it looks good in camera. I don't know, but yeah, I am using natural lighting, which I am really loving at the moment. But back to the hair. So this hair is, I believe, 20, I want to say 26 inches or 28 inches, but I could be wrong. So I'll leave the links in the description bar below. And I'm sorry if I don't seem prepared, but I put this on today for this makeup tutorial that you guys saw on Valentine's Day, and I was like, bruh, this hair though, like, bruh. Let me just put this. Oh, it's when it comes to the front, it just looks, I don't know, it's like I just love it. Like, I love this hair, and it looks natural. It looks like what you call it, like when you cream out the hair, you have thick hair, and you cream it out, you just have that texture. It's very textured. I love it. But I love when the hair goes to the back like that. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so update, this hair is still shedding. It still sheds. I mean, you'd think that this hair tangles a lot, but bobo, it does not tangle a lot. I mean, it is very, as you can see, like little crimps in it, because even like hair, because it is extremely textured, but you're not seeing any crimp. I mean, it's not tangly, you get me? So this morning I just lightly brushed it through lightly, and I just flat ironed it. Like, I want to say that this hair is medium to low maintenance, and I would say medium because it's textured. And if you're not probably used to this kind of hair, then you think, oh my god, it's too much. If you had it sewn in, bobo, it would have been probably too much for you. But I do have this on a wig cap, and I'm so glad I installed this on a wig cap, which further solidifies that I need to put my hairs on wig caps, because you just love them so much more, you know what I mean? So I don't know, there's something about it, you just love them more. And I think this was 4 bundles. I think it was 4 bundles, I'm not quite sure, but it wasn't nothing crazy like 7, 8, 6, because the hair in and of itself is very textured. I love the hair. I love working with the company, and I want to do like these kind of videos where I'll just show you an update a couple months later. I have some other wigs that I'll be doing the same thing for. Watch me hair stick out here, so I'm gonna paste down this here. So, but I have some other wigs that I'll be doing the same thing for. And basically, this is just me coming by and letting you guys know that this hair is still going, and I have not washed it, bruh. I have not washed this hair. The only thing I've done is flat iron it right before a video, and I don't go through and flat iron I just like one big boof. I just like literally rub my flat iron through it, because I want it to be presentable for camera. I can't just put it on and don't comb it out, don't flat iron it, you know what I mean? So yeah, so that's basically it. I don't really have anything much to say. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the hair, how it's doing, and if it is, I mean, you have so many options for different hair companies to purchase from different companies, but I'm telling you guys my experience. This is cute. Okay, let's talk. I'm telling you guys my experience with the companies that I have been working with. Now, you have a lot of options. Who you decide to purchase from is completely up to you. All I can do is give a little testimony, you know, each one, let you guys know my personal experience with the hair company and with the hair and the texture, and then you can decide for yourself. But of course, don't decide without doing like some research first. So I'll say do some research, and then you can go ahead and purchase it if you want to purchase. So as I said, what, let me kick the camera. Right, so as I said, this video is not going to be long at all. Just wanted to come through real quick and thank LuvLuxe hair again for sending me this hair to review, and also for the pleasant experience I had with the hair company. This hair company, the owner of the hair company, is absolutely sweet. She understood. I mean, when it was time for me to do the review, she waited, she was patient. So we want to thank her, you know, the owner of the company. Thank you, Vivo. And yeah, that's basically it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.